Hello, what's up? Once again, this is Ali, and today we are going to show you one of the best thing we can do to our PSP Go to enjoy this further. Well, actually, this is my favorite handheld of all time, but I still have one issue with the system, and that is, the controls. Especially, I love my PSP Go for my PS1 Classic, and it's very hard to play those games that requires the shoulder button, and that is the reason why having a DualShock 3 paired with your PSP Go is a must for you to fully utilize this system. Unfortunately, you will need a PS3 for this to work. And if you're going to ask me if this can work to other PSP models like the PSP 1000 to 3000 or the PSP Street, unfortunately, this will only work on PSP Go. You can still use DualShock 3 on those PSP, but you will have to do it with a USB cable connected. But to use it wirelessly, it will only work with PSP Go, and you will need a PS3 to connect both controllers. But once they are connected, you no longer need your PS3 to connect them. Once you press the PS button on your DualShock 3, it will automatically connect to your PSP Go. So let us go ahead with our video and show you how it's done. On our PSP, let us first turn on the wireless connection on the switch and the Bluetooth connection on the settings. The LED indicator here will tell us that it's already on. Then on the Manage Bluetooth Devices and Register New Device, there will be an option to register a PS3 system controller, and just follow the instructions that will be provided by the PSP. First, connect the PSP to our PS3 using the USB cable, then connect the DualShock 3 also using the USB cable. Then once you get this message, you can disconnect both the PSP and the DualShock 3 on the PS3. And press the PS button on the DualShock 3 and it will connect to the PSP. Now this DualShock 3 is now synced to our PSP. And every time you use your PSP, just press the PS button and this controller will automatically sync to our PSP. So what I did was I just improvised a way to connect my PSP to my DualShock 3 using an old fork. And this makes a perfect match for my PSP Go. There's also some accessories you can actually buy to connect your phone to your DualShock 3, and you can also use it for your PSP. So this is it for our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. And again, this is Ali, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.